Bro. Yevasidama awake mirror water na fe etel to go. Womanarama. Any other Fabɛwɔso Eddie bro. Medical catchrew. Juadano. I made a pledge to my listeners and my viewers. Ahombrasiemwa. Said Jumaya Yababe. It is without fear or favor. Get it. Surobia nim ana yanyanyimu yanhwehwa nimu. Braminya kwanya se metra sa adwumadie yi so. Some months back, I'm saying January nim. Mekai. Say you want some trafo a. Wotimi fra won emo sika hye wo mo nsam wo mo ka o ma no tum. I want some bi ho. You want some trafo a. Wotimi fra wo mo edi sika hye wo mo afunum. Ma wo mo ka wo ma no tum. I want some bi a enkoyie wo man yi mu. Me kwakwata am jahe me nka ho. Enti nyame adom adwuma yi a yeye. Yadi nyame suro ne nokwadie. And I told you, the sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people of Ghana. The sovereignty of Ghana resides in we the people. Menu mienu. Enti asembia efa Ghana ho. So man ebekwonanim enu ho adwuma. Eni eba beye. Sembebre abeto me proso a ese me gibre. Ba kuni sika ye donati edema June 3rd victims yi na no dia me dia akotwere ho. Me dia twere ho. Me dia twere ho because ene ye mfie nu pepepepepepe. Ye be bi samunsem sika no we he. Adwada no me hyase e. Adwuma Auditor General why between 2012 and 2019 akwan miensa ho adwuma why krichira gunkrata so yakoma embrasebedafo kadiaka anapai mentions ya no michia roads minister honorable Kwesi Amoakwanta michiao. Between 2012 and 2019, East Legon Spintex Road underpass. East Legon Spintex Road underpass. Our Greater Accra region here. Yashasa Kwayasi 2017. Expected year of completion. Per the document. I promise I expected year of completion. I feel as a USR project, you know. Like 2018. A car you born was our project, you know. I have 14,815,261. Eastern Corridor Roads, lots 5 and 6. Oti and Northern Region. And also 2014 year shas here. Asanka kwata by 2016 there. Naka yawie 290,642,200. And a car aban ebo ho. Sa kwa no sia ka say etesen Ebiemu so oil and gas enclave roads. Atoyaman Western Region. 2014 year shas here. 2018 near wie. 21,859,390 US dollars. And the car. Your boss our project no. Now, per the audit report, Ghana Highways failed to institute measures on feasibility. So we are the general they about Ghana highway for no. Now me come and me menya Ghana highway for. As I said, some were cut him and some ewum. Ni entia such project. One man for feasibility. One man to be the needed checks. Failing to institute measures on feasibility data for the review of all these 3 projects. One to be now, according to the report, this has resulted in variations, increase in the project duration and budget. Equino say 41 kilometers are. Esa sikase muntini ateso I 38 kilometers. And all these are captured. Now, and no, me be say me na phone nyina bo anan. Na yakosa akwan yi so. Na yakohwe se kwan no atesen bia na kwan ya wie atesen wo mo tempotamu ho wo mo sesen afa sa kwan miensen ho. Now on the variations medru ho. Manisha CM free OT region. Martin Luther. One day any son mrane. Onon wabon pempen ahwe akwan a connect Asiaha to the northern and upper regions of Ghana. One day.
Yes, Dada.
That's the same.
But
Eastern Corridor roads. Meaning, sir, what the swap when you buy ye pa. Say, I can say a quino at the same. Martin.
But Mr. Friend, Martin Luther, don't know from one day. You will see region where and send a rider our quino super our region. Yeah, quino then you couldn't go in and call you. They want to make a show and call you cry.
Now, Martin Luther, who you motor rider?
But trying.
And to the quino, when you so in Croncrea was so, and the semi aquine one casancasa. At here, in fact, make me some casaya, so call Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM, our Facebook. Aquania, yaka wansemi. Oko Facebook. Ube sani aquino at here. At it joining. Now, Martin Luther.
Yes, sir.
Infonia yen huni, sana aquino at here. Trafoni ni train at here for sabi wamusha Facebook.
No crepa. And say me wa kuruma nkasa. Pacho priwara ko that's kind. Pacho kwano nya kwa ya bre. And free that's kind could do work way. And say kwano say pa ma mo Adom FM4 ba. Ebe show kwano ye. Ke mo yen wa di ho aduma na me say mo be twisu ye. Mo be twisu ye. To mo twisu ye wie no o ma sa nye ho Libya ama oso bete mo kwanta feye pa kasi titim kasi muni te me no kasa free fence free ho ko daskan na dey fine and free daskan so be sin ko kebi and so nye easy kono say I tell do kwan aye no enye te me Canada ye area ha ye bre kwan pa ye bre and do so ye be share so a ya atuna adani free eko crying. I say a ban on Jimbra, so hapa. Cast a brass of my could do. Your premier rider. Then, the free as a call where you say, man, just to flag, moto, flag, make them travel for them and do away. Quite in some quan, or watch no matter, yes, you have found you.
What is well, cramo to crown, or the bad 3 hours.
Then I make us travel as a madru. What quite what about you? No first member cra. I say, and I'm Adom FM4 mobile and I'm mobile young one to mine. Umbe Chisuye. Umuchisuye pet. Oma die. Oma san young one to you. No, so ton so I say that's the same to the same call where you see a travel as a madu away.
Now, One day, Tramfoni Chai, in Kro Bang, and I want that stretch. Oh, dear, between Hohoy and the Jasikai, and I'll tell you, Aquaniaba. But in Kro Bang, there was Aquino, Eso.
Free, if every just get what we're nothing.
A free Jasikai, Hohoy, the Eastern Corridor Road, ya, in Kron Kra, one more efforts Aquania, Yashan in funny Facebook says, yea.
Free, where I just can. Come on, be do first. Could you? What do Kaja Krum? What about Tonko? What do Kaja Krum? What do just kind? If you are just kind on. And if you are so, if you just kind could do what when now. If you just can now, go to a quano so, get Bori, Udu, Obedu Bori. Bori ubedu sa no kwa nwo kwa sa kudu sanku usanku ana wa kudu asawadu ho hwe kwan so nyina enye de also no
one day jina so Seth chede ewo hohoi Seth akwaba
but I say
hello Seth hello Seth
Enyo ma ga la tu ko
Seth good morning.
Hello?
Seth, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so tell us, where exactly are you located, Seth?
Okay, back and then I teach you. You said what?
Are you in a vehicle?
Yes, I can hear you.
Good. Tell us exactly where you are this morning, Seth.
You said what?
Wow. So I'm fat set in review. I'm so Otikem. But one day, what's the
but to you.
Sir, Wobika says, Sir Quanya, Nymphonini, Yeshi. Abaya Bohonka 290,642,200 US dollars, sir. Sandy Pakron, Virginia.
Ebe mo wa pa na some won kan because am pass aban discount that can money pa na ye kwanu group to sadia Ghana for itumi ade ho pa because when aban discount money a kwanu group to sa no Ghana for impene for bebre itumi ade pa de mo aka
One day, Jinaso. Seth, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Good. Tell us the condition of the Eastern Corridor roads, particularly
in fact, the Eastern Corridor road is now more than a west. When we demonstrated from Accra, going to Accra, you have to pass through Alavanyo, Pando, but definitely you get to have and join the dilapidated road. Or you have to pass through Fodome and get to Liaki, from Liaki to Leklebi, and you join the road at Loba, Vuta, and from that place, in fact, I don't know what to use to qualify the nature of the road. In fact, very soon our drivers, our passengers, all of them will have a problem, especially spinal problem. Even some of our drivers, I don't think they can drive for the next 5 years. In fact, the road, the rains have started, and the distance that they use to carry passengers, 15 passengers will carry 9 passengers. When we want to calculate the price we are even taking is nothing to. So, in fact, the drivers are even sacrificing. And we have to be talking to them because we love our passengers. They are not the people who create this problem. We are pleading in the name of God. We are saying if they cannot even fix the road with quota, they should try to patch up the road.
Now, Seth, per this report, this road project should have been completed by 2016. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
By 2016, this road project should have been completed. And government has spent over $290 million US. You are a resident on this stretch. Is this the true reflection of this huge amount of money invested in the project, Seth?
Yeah, the contractors were on the road. Then, when the change of government, they said they are going to reassess the contract. And that is why everything goes stagnant. So if money is being given to somebody and the person is not working, then they have to hold the person responsible. That is what that is the little knowledge that I have. If money is being given to somebody, in a tool of that money, they have to hold the person responsible. He should come back and then, at least, if they finish the work, then they'll pay them.
Now, Seth, as we speak, are contractors on site? As we speak?
No! They are not.
Jim FM.
And the thing is terrible. We cannot talk again. With several writing of petitions to the presidency, and we are compelled to demonstrate. We did all these things, but so we keep quiet and we are waiting for the coming of the second coming of Jesus.
Jim FM.
Seth, thank you very much for speaking with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm always available.
Huh. One day.
Yes, I was.
James, I would say, come on, and it's Seth, Etchin. Momo contractors were site.
But I say,
Mohano contractor for site, how much Juma? Mama from Mono.
yeah, last 2 months now, gas can bow away, gas can bow around. I saw more party, Quano say, my party, Rara, Kurumaka, and one on Matako, a friend saying, I don't call. Tell no matter Pachaka, or Masan Pachamadan Canasio. Pachamaya Pachamania, she and Faho.
One day, my men was announced your fancy. It was like I said, you. It's near 2 or May Mono, Abusia. A Mama Kuma Yamia. A Mama Kuma, a Yamia. As I say, I should be ya. Ya didn't say ya. Na Yanchima Baba Boya Subo. Abai, Mate. So Mampeniaka said this year is the year of roads. Your Excellency, I'm Rasemwa, Safia year of roads, sir. It should start from here. As I shall see a free document to him. Mimi dear, my dear, my drinks, Sanka forget a coin bia. Nanka concentrate on these roads because these findings they are too damning. And somewhere I want report to him a time a bomb. Now when we get to the variations, now you drew baby budget overrun. Me pese be rush, pese ko ni kakra. Obeti wasum. Sikadia ekoso. Esa se kwan no enya me papa asase a. It will be in hono mu a wafa to no ho so as a responsible citizen. Now we'll be questions, relevant questions. Who advises the Ghana Highways Authority? Ghana Highways, Mona Moya Abain consultant on roads. Abain to me na kwan bia. Ejemo mo di adwen chiraba. Enti monitoring ban and amoya on these contractors. Now the feasibility data cry bi ni ho. Na ho no go gina kwan no so. Na go say contractor we was site or ye adwuma na so oni site or ye adwuma. But this is why we are here. Waiting yawaha. If the sovereignty of this nation resides in Ghanaians, then I think we need to be treated with some respect. See the book akrabata ho, ambra semu a. Tinyame adumu adwoada. Na yebekọ anim. Na yebeduru bia mene Ghana Highway Authority bedfo betrase studio ha. Na fei wama bebo nkura kire yen. Se adwuma nanu ani a yebeduru ho. Manenju agent kakra. Manenju agent kakra. 0302216561 0302216562. Oman ni ayekọ ni abusua. Ni ayekọ no eni 0302216561 0302216562. Look at the amount of money. Eh, you sha kwan. Na ya kwan basa. Busumi nsa busumi nsia na ekwan a ya gbo ka over millions of dollars. Na kwan na fiase say. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, CJ.
Bato wani.
We musumuru ne bataba.
Busumuru mami teo.
CJ, I woka ho asem me oti region da mabe. Na akwan woka aye me ngonwa so we say abanze ayi aban that we twem no so was 670 million on sa akwan no. Ayi sa akwan na wo ne kasa region mu no region nyina yi. Apart from sa akwan na woka no. So wo fa nkwanta kwan nkwanta de ko damba ekwan na enye efi damba de ko krachi ekwan na enye efi ho de ko banda ekwan no enye efi nkwanta ko kwaza ekwan no enye efi nkwanta de ba kejebi ekwan no enye say the whole region nyina na maka kire no apart from major roads na maka kire no minor roads no kra de CJ.
Eno de yanka.
Yeah, eno de yanka ho asem.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. Atuna.
Nyame adumo bato wani.
Bato mi na boni mi kasa fi Jerusalem.
Aheva Jerusalem honorable.
Kasa fi mata ku Jerusalem.
Yentio.
Bato. Masu pada makato de. Kwanu dudo na nyau. Kaketu na ade. Na menu ade a chama kaketu. Ashma honu na nyamba kusempu. The mountain abanu she, the mountain ode yesu na to bi azuma.
Medase. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Bato wani.
Mede Abraham.
Ebi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, friend.
Me kasa fi airport residential.
Ebi yentio.
Osi unim kaswa omo ye kaswa back pass. just recently abandoned the office. Omo ye kaso back pass. For bisa omo mo for back pass ni na. Kwani ni na anye. Ekwan omo ye ya just 2 months or 3 months oko we. Yes sir.
Yeah, hello.
Kaswa.
What's here after toll booth bypass no fa wa tum kopie adade no. Sa kwan na okay.
Yes, ekwan na make no. Wo de nsu to a CJ kokohwe. Ene na ekwan ni nyina sa ekwan omo ye endu just recently omo fi aban mu. Just nti highway from ye hu adwuma omo ye o man mu. Ye hu adwuma pa highway from ye o man mu.
Me da say. Mami for my last caller. Fancy. Hello, good morning.
Morning, CJ.
Me ba to wani.
Chum bari mani.
Chum ka sa friend.
Me ka sa fin koko.
Chum yentie o.
CJ, wadaroma. Ekwan no mafaso. Na me fa akwan no so no. Me ro hoye e de trese. Sa Eastern Corridor Road yai. E na mampani o twa mu. Ese Ghana contractors. Ese omemia no hesa de ye kwan. Awa bra, we had the contract no ama Kanazie. Burkina Faso contractor. Nanti CJ, esi den anenna ekwani nyina fa sai ama dipa ya faso ana omo voter reading esu so omo akwanye. Awa bra, ya de sa akwan no etwa Ghana contractors mpawa. E ba de sai CJ, sa asamo no me dia ma. Hwehwe bu ma me. Me da se woni nyame yadwuma.
Mezo me da se Yadi besia na kame ho o de kame ho na yankwa no say ya na me adwada na aben Ghana hu hia won so minim ento achima wo say ya hwe men say mame vase na ma Franco Trading Enterprise na da Roma ana so amasene ma mede Fabɛwɔso mede bro ma mi tame ho ma me ba enkomo wo ho se